Kanina.
Oo, kasi kasama ko si Ruby. Naglalaro ng Dispatch.
Akala ko Valorant.
Hell.
Ayun, nag-ano ko? Gising buong gabi.
Oh,
Lalo. I could never.
hindi ka na recording, no?
Recording na ulit.
Pause mo nga saglit.
Teka. Boom.
Yo!
Ayun.
Tara, tara.
Tara, not lagging anymore. Di.
Brecken is so desperate he's ready to deal with the devil himself.
Whoa.
Rise. And since
Whoa.
I'm supposed to determine whether or not
Oh, guess we'll never know.
Whatever. Parang di namang importante yun eh.
Kaya nga, pre.
Ano yung exclamation mark na ta? I'll talk to you.
Can you hear me?
Ay, sige.
Jade? Yeah, I copy. Something wrong?
No, it's listen, Crane.
You know, if
We
you're
all
right,
appreciate
he's
what
our
you're
handyman.
doing.
Sit in the
And I know
workshop.
you're doing it to redeem yourself.
Which one am I listening to?
Amir died saving
Oh,
our
tapos na
lives.
pala.
I'm doing it because if we don't get Antizin from Rise, people will start to die.
You know, I met Amir right after the outbreak.
Oh, nag-ano siya, nagre-restock siya sa ano niya, materials.
Ooh,
He was the best, most decent man I've ever known.
Oh, tira mo yung labas.
But I just want you to know that I don't
Silip ka
blame
sa bintana.
alam, pre. Mamaya,
Amir knew the risk.
mamaya mo na ako takutin, pre.
And Crane, we know that you two are
Tira,
taking a risk
papawisan ako.
to do this for us.
Pre, don't be like that, pre.
Ah, may baseball bat siya. Ayun, baka may pulit ako sa labas.
We'll talk when I get back with the Antizin.
Oh, wag.
okay?
Mabubulit sa labas.
Just come back in one piece, all right?
One Piece. Tana,
Whatever.
tanana, tanana.
Tama na.
Oh, we can wait until morning. Tapos magawin yun.
Can we just wait until morning?
Tara. Oh, I'm not dealing with that. Ayun, tara.
Nagulat ako pagtingin ko sa likod ko, may malaking zombie na, humahabol sa'yo. Sabi ko, what the fuck is that?
Medyo hindi ko na-enjoy yun. Naglalag ako.
Ako na-enjoy ko yung pre. Pre,
Ano?
na-enjoy ko yung pre.
Oo na. Kaya na ako sa effect rin drop ako. May survivor, tara. Oh my god, I'm actually playing the game. Di ako nag-lag.
Holy shit. I thought I was
Holy
finished.
shit.
Thank you, my friend.
Ang funny ng voice acting yun.
Ang
Oh.
genuine no?
Kaya lang. Holy shit. Thank you, friend.
Holy shit.
Trap kick. Ow!
Nagda-drop ko ba frames?
Hindi na.
Nice.
Tignan natin mamaya.
It shouldn't na, kasi I'm an expert.
IT ka eh.
Oh, pre, it's my shit. Tsaka I learned that kasi I had a shitty laptop back then.
May ambulance
I
ita.
did
Teka. Kaya ang dami mo
I
na
did
ano sa
everything.
ambulance mo eh. Sa ambulance. Sa laptop mo eh.
sa dati kong laptop. I did
Think,
everything to get 1 extra FPS.
tinkering your shit talaga eh. May medkit dito.
Yeah. Wait lang, may loot yung bahay na to eh.
Isa lang.
How do we get in?
Pwede ko sa taas. Ah, okay. What the hell do you want? Nakakit ka?
Wait lang. I'm working on it. Hindi pre. Bahala na.
Huwag na nga.
Tampo na ako.
Isang lang naman yun. Malaking damage pa rin ako doon.
Safe zone to.
Ayun nga na. Oh, may shop kaya dito? Wala namang loot. Ayun.
May shop.
Wala.
Kala mo ako lang kapag hinihi ka eh.
Kaya nga. Hunt the goon. Ayun pala. Ang laki niya. Worth it pa ba yan?
Ano? Pwede naman.
Parang di na. Tara na kaya.
Wait lang. Let me do my IT stuff.
Sayang kasi yung durability.
Di siya dumaan.
Ay, tara.
May nag-fa na zombie, narinig mo yun?
No.
I heard the zombie say, fa!
Baka pinanganak siya sa
I'm not
future.
crazy, I swear.
Oh, teka. Yung mga loot.
Oh, dude,
Meron
imagine if this game had like destruction physics.
Oh. Maglalag ako ng sobra.
Pasabugin ko yung tulay.
Wag pre, magdi-drop na naman akong frames. Nauubo na nga yung laptop eh. Di ba binubuksan niya ang
Feeling ko
trunk?
kailangan mo ulit ano?
Magpalinis?
Oo.
Pinag-iisipan ko nga eh.
Wait lang pre, let me do this shit.
Ang daming trunk. Nakasarado. Ano ba yun?
I got it. I'm getting good at this shit.
Yeah. Oh, knife.
Ito, may baseball bat.
Teka, may baseball bat.
What the fuck is that?
I got a knife.
Malapit na yung ano. Uy, may armored na ano, lalaki.
Oh, iba yung lakad niya.
Oh, he looks awesome, dude.
Oh, iba yung mukha niya. Ah, never mind. Is he dead? No.
Patay na, patay na.
Legit ba?
Oo.
Oo nga, patay na rin. $15. Ayun lang.
Doon
Halala.
napunta yung fit niya, pre.
Kaya nga.
Okay, tara, we gotta go to this house or base, whatever the fuck it is. Can you open this? Never mind.
Oh. Kaya natin bumaba na dito.
Nix, may loot, may loot.
Oh shit. Pistol. Bullet.
Pistol?
Bullet.
Oh. Dito pwede tayo bumaba.
Make sure they see you and know who you are. You don't want to sneak up on them. That's a good way to catch a bullet.
What
Wish
if
me
I
luck, kid.
sneaked on?
Good luck, brother. You're going to need it.
May stream. What the heck? Ang pangat ang moveset ng knife.
Bakit?
Parang akong ewan mag-swing. Oh, ito pala eh.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Hands up! What the fuck do you want?
I'm here to see Rice. Brecken sent me.
Brecken? That asshole in the tower? Alright, what does he want?
Come to make a deal.
What kind of deal?
The kind I make with Rice, not with his flunkies.
Buti ko binaril.
Let him through.
Hinahantay mo, barilin ako, no?
Oh. Sabi daw, don't ano daw eh. Don't surprise them. Konnichiwa. Uy, pinatay ka namin kanina.
How long have we been friends, Osman? We have been friends for a very long time. That is why I'm so surprised
He's dead.
that you would steal from me.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Now I give you a choice.
No?
Oh, siya pala yung sa una.
Your right hand or your left?
Left!
Was that my left or your left?
He's never jerking off again.
Meron siya naman siya, isa pang kamay eh.
You have the look of
Hirap
the tower
nun.
about you. What do
Ang
you want?
dami yung loot crate, pre.
I'm here to make a deal.
Tara, buksan natin.
A deal. For fantasy, no doubt. Desperate times. And what do you offer in return? Hmm? Your services? Your loyalty? Perhaps I should take
My
note.
mad skills. That's what I'm offering.
I can
He's
drop
one
kick.
of ours. Do what he asks of you, and Rise will consider giving your people some antizin. Understood?
I don't seem to have a choice.
Perceptive.
Pero ba natin kunin
Need
yung
a
kamay?
hand. Pwede ba kunin yung machete?
Oh, pwede.
I got it, pre.
Ah, dude, I don't need this thingy.
Can I wait? Can I loot? Oh. No, no, boy. Paramix.
Ooh.
I met Rice, and Jade's right.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Shop!
They have guns. Ay, narinig kong barilan.
Saan yung shop?
Move!
Ito.
What a nerd.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, purple lahat ng ano niya. Ay, halos lahat. May crowbar. No. Okay.
Mahal ng ano, baseball bat?
Oh, dude, may mga baril sila. Tara, pwede natin kunin.
Wait lang.
There you are. Rice said you'd be coming by. I'm Karim,
Crane.
an American. I have an uncle there. Lives in Texas. You from Texas? You a cowboy?
I'm from Chicago.
Okay, Al Capone. We'll be in constant contact over the radio. That way I can make sure you get where you need to go.
And where's that exactly?
You're going to be climbing antenna towers and switching on
Uh-oh.
shortwave radio modulators.
Taas
Oh.
ng skin.
Some of my men are too slow, too fat, or too drunk to
Kumakulit,
climb a
tol.
tower like that without killing themselves.
Dala ko sa baba.
Do this, I'll get the antizin.
That's
Cool.
between you and Rice. I know better than to speak for him. Just don't fail. He doesn't handle disappointment very well.
Okay.
Maybe because he's a big disappointment.
Oh. Uy, ibulong mo lang yun, marinig tayo.
Ah, sorry, sorry.
Let's get out of here.
These people are too
Just met a guy named Kareem. He's like Rice's major domo, I guess.
Okay. Arim. Oh, wait lang.
Parang siyang ano, yung noodles na kinakain ko.
Wait lang. Skill. Skill. Get better at crafting. Create more items from the same material. Oh, shit. Ito na lang. Tara.
Wait. Ay, tara.
Ah. Your titties are out.
My what?
Not yours. Hers! Aray ko, kinakain ako.
Ah! Delikado na kapag naikutan ka na nila.
Kaya nga. Ayun. Patay rin isa.
Ah! Oh man, arrows are so good.
Oh, okay. Give you all your money. May parang upgrade mark dun sa minimap ah. Nakikita mo ba yan? Ay, airdrop.
Gusto mo puntahan?
Parang airdrop yun. Baka may baril. Malayo kaya. Ah, lame. Di pinapakita ko lang meters. Ah, may tao sa baba.
Uy, pwede, kailangan natin bilisan or maunahan tayo ng bandits.
Okay, tara. Okay na sila.
Sleep.
$48 broke. Oh, may shovel sila. Nice.
Bubuksan ka na.
Go lang.
Guns? Medkit. Huge.
Oh, that low. Survivor points.
Deliver drop to the quartermaster.
Mhm. Oh, kailangan ko to. Conserve weapons.
Wait lang. Wait lang, Mixon.
Go lang, naglulot ako ng kotse, tita.
Nakuha ko na rin yung conserve weapons.
Patay!
Tuwan-tuwa eh.
Grabe. Ay, tara na. Ayaw kaya to? Crowd kick.
Ang efficient ng arrow, bro.
Kaya nga eh.
That's fucking awesome. Pwede ko sila sipain sabay shoot an arrow at their head.
Nakakulo mo yung dropkick. Parang lipad sila. Oh yeah, tara na. Meron tayo sa ano.
Oo pre, baka patayin tayo eh.
Sidetrack na naman tayo. Naman ako sa kabila. Laglag isa. Ehe. Nasaan ka na?
Wait lang. Wait lang, I'm killing zombies right. Nakakuha ko na ano eh. Can't touch this na achievement.
Puro ano na, range.
Oh. On the way now. It's a good game.
Yo.
Pwede mo loot to.
Ano din?
Yung train.
May laman?
Yeah.
Yung ano?
Ito na, open ko.
Open sesame. Uy!
Huge.
Brick hammer. Nice.
Tara. Baka pwede rin natin buksan yan.
Tara, tignan natin. Wala.
Hindi.
No! Nawala na ako.
Oh!
Ay, nangyari.
I got disconnected.
Oo nga, no?
Invite kita.
I-invite mo na lang ako.
Okay na.
Yes. Yes, let me join. Konnichiwa.
Uy! Welcome back.
Oh, ito na pala.
Update ko lang jowa ko.
Ano naman?
Ah.
Crane.
Kumain na kami.
Just met Rise. There's no question that's Suleiman. Guy's a
Uuwi na kami
He's gone from
pagkatapos.
ruthless politician to fucking warlord.
Is he aware of your affiliation with us?
No, he thinks I'm just a guy from the tower. In fact, he's making me jump through hoops before he'll give me any antizin.
Acknowledged. Continue to do as he asks. Remember, we need that file.
The Epstein files, pre.
Crane.
Sasabihin ko sana yun eh.
Pero... May malapit na bahay
Ito
dito.
bukas. Wait lang, ito bukas.
Sige.
Power cable. Okay. So kung makakita ng zombie na ano, sinapak yung train paalis. Patek tumalsik.
Reported lang
Ganun
yun
siya
eh.
kalakas pre. Tank.
No. Teka lang. I'm washed.
Tagal pre.
Nakuha ko kanina. Ayun. Teka. What the fuck? Ikaw na nga lang. Sayang. Hindi ko makuha. The game hates me. That's it. Yo, what's up, zombie?
Ito, kuha ko na. Bukas na pre.
Yeah. Teka.
Inventory full? Hell no.
Scrap. Record ba ako? Oh, ayan. Ano yun?
The hazmat zombie. Tara. May bahay oh.
Oh, pwede ba ilot yung mga halaman dito?
What exactly am I doing?
May zombie sa likod mo.
Oh, what the fuck are you?
These modulators will help boost the signal, so Rise can communicate with outposts in the far reaches of town.
Well, it's a benefit for everyone, not just Rise.
Perhaps. But the
Ano yung bahay mo na o yung mission?
Bahay muna.
Power cable.
Hindi naman importante yung rice guy na yun.
Yan.
Sino ba yun? Some random dude.
Rice mo like.
Yung kumaingay na
Low.
sinabi ko yun ah.
Hindi. Tara, bahay. Oh shit,
Saan
may
ba yung bahay?
survivor. May survivor. Teka.
Eh, tara. Ito yung safe house.
Oh, sa taas pa pala.
Oh, okay, di ko alam.
Ito may tamang daanan.
Dito. Pababa ba o paakyat?
Bakit daw eh?
Paakyat. Ah,
Safe.
uy gago.
Bakit?
I'm up. Pwede mo akitin yung bars.
Ah, okay. Teka.
You're so close to safe zone. Thank you, game. Tangina mo, ang daming zombie. Wait!
Ano ako nakakakit dyan?
Aray.
Ito pala sa labas.
Ah!
Parang yan, teka.
Cancel, pukin ng ina mo. Pero bigla na lang sila sumabog, araw hindi ko ang bakit.
Teka, try ko pa rin umakyat.
Uy, kago! Putang ina mo, nagulat ako.
Yun, nakakit rin ako. Ewan ko paano yun. Sa pinakataas ba?
Oo.
Ay, shit, teka. Yo, what's up?
Yo.
Wala na.
Wala na, pre.
Galing ko talaga.
Tangina.
Ay, ang hirap kasi umakyat. Pili ko talaga may wingsuit ng laro na to.
Tingin mo?
Kasi tino mo yun, parang may mga ramp eh.
Ito, bounties ulit oh.
Accept mo nga.
Haunted outfit.
Ano, same
Kinuha
na
ko
to eh.
Isa. Tara. Nakuha na natin, no?
Oo.
Oo, nakuha na nga natin.
Kage, may zipline.
Ginamit ko yun kanina ng gabi.
Ay, uy. Ako, naghihirap ako eh. May isa pang safe house sa right side oh.
Kunin natin.
Pero,
Layo ka sa akin, puki ng ina mo.
ito lang pala. Dami.
Sangarado ako na, pre.
Eh,
Mix, ingat!
aray ko. Wala ka naman sinabi ko ano gagawin mo. Ingat lang. What?
Pero binigyan kita ng warning, pre.
Sige.
Yung gago tulog.
Meron pa ba?
Oo, meron ba?
What the hell?
Eh.
Ano ginawa niya?
Hindi ko alam. Hunter looking ass.
May weapon.
That missed.
Anyways, secured na ba ito? Ito pala.
Sarado na ba?
Ayan.
Nice.
I'll take whatever money. Damn. Parang mansion. Oh, may dalawang goon. And, oh,
Dalawang what?
goon. Yung ano, yung malaki na may concrete na weapon.
Ah, okay.
Ay, malapit na pala yung next natin lugar.
Saan?
Ay, lang sa...
May gawa lang ako ng ano. More arrows.
Okay. Craft na kaya akong bow.
Oh, no.
Kasi craft na ka rin ako.
Sa electricity sila, pre.
Anin mo
Kita
ba?
mo?
Oo.
Hindi ko kaya atakihin eh. Wala akong weapon eh.
Eto, tarong ka dito.
One shot sa ulo?
Siguro pag may range. Pero don't jump sa tubig. Oh.
Let me do my IT stuff, pre. I can't. Never mind. I'm nerfed.
Teka.
Can I open this? Saan ka tol?
Nagbubukas, Sanchez. Ah!
Yung ba yung naririnig ko?
Oo, ako yun.
Sinarado ko na.
Sa wakas.
Yun yung hinahanap ko kanina pa eh. Uy, rescue pre.
Asan?
Rescue prisoners.
Nasa kabilang side pa?
Tara.
Back away. This doesn't concern you.
Mas kumalawa. May zombie pala.
Oh. We got you, pre. Pay me. Yun. 81? Not worth it. Ako na lang papatay sa'yo.
Ang bilis ah.
Tara.
Kaya, kinuha ko na yung weapon nila. Ay, tara na. Saan ba tayo?
Tingnan mo to. Naka-this shit.
Wow.
Ah!
Para ka naman na-atake talaga. May sasabog. Tara na, tara na.
Tol, takbo tol. Okay na gina mo tol, takbo tol.
Oh my.
Kareem, I'm at the
I missed! I wanted to look cool.
You look late.
Shut up. Huwag ganyan, bro. Masama yan.
Ay, sorry bro, sorry. I'm just gonna... Ano kailangan natin gawin dito?
Hindi ko alam.
Let me do my IT stuff.
Sige.
Lapit. Ah!
Ay,
Oh, what the fuck is that? Jockey?
may special.
Oh shit, bro, it's about to get real.
Kaya may drop click ko nun to.
up infected motherfucker with guts hanging out of his mouth just spit a bunch of toxic snot at me.
Lipad.
Pre, patay na siya, pre.
Ano yan?
We are not taking this shit seriously.
Naku, masaya tayo. Yaman na. Ah, dude, ang funny talaga nun.
You know.
Grabe yung intro niya. Tapos pinasabog mo lang.
Ako na yan. Fuck! Kanina pa ako kinakagat ng mga to ah.
Kaya eh. Ako dinadrop
Kinang ina
click
mo
ko lang sila.
lumiwas.
Kagi. Okay, patay ko lahat.
Full introduction for the boss.
Oo. Sag
Ah,
fly
mas
high
mga-
siya. Ito na funny ng ano ko. Ang POV ko.
Yung
Biglang taas. Mamaya kiklip ko.
gay.
Ako pala, akit tayo dito. Napakit tayo.
Oh, wait.
Akit ba sa loob?
Hindi, dito. Ito.
Oh. Damn.
Oh! Putang ina mo, nagulat ako.
Ano ba yan? Teka.
Di ka pa patay?
Ay, gagi, may purple
Tibay
stuff.
eh.
May purple dito.
I just did IT stuff. Oh wait, let me...
Yun.
Nabuksan ko na. I got a journal.
I got money.
Wait, let me see if I can craft more stuff. Oh, hindi. I'm gonna have to save. Oh, wait, aakit na puta.
Akit ba talaga?
How
Oo
do we
nga,
go
no?
up?
May... How do we go up actually? Di ba
Oh, I guess
ladder?
ito. Ito.
Ah, yun pala. Pinapakita na pala.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, wait.
Pero makikita natin kung saan ang galing yung zombie na yun. Ito ba? Ito nga.
Alam mo ba, ready na talaga ako. Like, cool boss fight. You know.
Excited ako yung dropkick. Kasi hindi.
It took like it took one ammo, man. That's all it took.
DLC ba yan yung bullet, no?
Hindi.
Grabe naman. Nasaan na? Ito na ba yun?
Wait lang, pre, pinagpapawisan ako. I'm not gonna lie. Ano tayo?
Ito ba? Ah, ito pala.
Oo.
May ladder lang pala.
Saan?
Yung may mga, ano? Oh! Ah, ito pala. Eh. May isa pa akyatan. And then look to the right. Oh!
Let me do my IT stuff, pre.
Ang laki ng ngiti ko na nakita ko may zombie.
Shit. Kareem, someone already scavenged this thing for parts. There's nothing up here to switch on.
Fuck, I was afraid of that. Alright, head to the next antenna tower. It's not too far from there.
Oh, bata, bigla ako na-frame drop.
Just use the zip line.
Siguro daan sa taas tayo.
Hindi, may specific na area na frame drop ako eh.
Oh, dito tayo, pre.
Ah, kaya pala. Oh shit, bumalik lag ko.
Naglalag ka na naman.
No.
Wait.
I-reopen ko
Like
yung game ko.
unplayable. Okay.
Feel ko loading issue to eh.
Parang. Most likely, not gonna lie.
Ano, what if...
First antenna was non-functional, so Kareem's sending me to
Okay.
another one. If that one doesn't work...
Sino mo saan ka mag-goods na?
Oh, invite mo nga ako.
Okay. Okay na.
Damn, let me join. Pa-invite ulit. Na-cancel ka.
Wait. Yan.
Sana okay
Saan ka
na.
na?
Loading. Oh, medyo okay. Oh, never mind. It's bad. Ayaw ko ba? May naglalag eh ng laro.
Right now?
Oh. Teka. I-start ko yung game ko. Parang may nag-load bigla eh. Tapos bigla nag-tank yung ano ko. Frames ko.
Hindi ko talaga nabigla yung, nabigla lang kasi nakasa taas tayo ang dami nag-render.
Siguro. Sabay-sabay render. Ano, 4 hours tayo naglalaro nito.
So, this is Matagal-tagal na ano to eh.
Non-functional, so Kareem's
Lately.
sending me to another one.
Oo, matagal
If that
talaga.
one doesn't work, I don't know
9%
what
pa
I'm
lang
gonna
tayo
do.
eh.
I just hope Rice doesn't fuck me on this.
Dami pa natin random ship pinagkagagawa.
Lalang tatagal. Okay, sana hindi na ako nag-delete. Oh yun, nawala. Oo nga, loading issue ng laro.
Invite na
Okay na. May nag-refresh na yung load sa akin eh. That's
Gusto mo pre?
okay na. Waramis. Wala naman eh. Kakabal ko lang, kinakain na ako.
Pre, tingnan mo to pre.
Ano gagawin mo?
Tingnan mo.
Ano ginawa mo? Nagka-hop ka ba?
Sin.
Pinili mo pala yun. Ay, din big eh.
Bading ako eh.
Okay.
Hey Kareem, what do I
Diba?
do if the second transmitter's trashed?
Hindi ko ma-headset yun ah.
Disappoint Rex. The
Oh my god, kanina pa. Oh my god. May.
Nakunin ko na yung mga arrows ko.
Uy, malapit lang pala yung bahay. Gawin ko nga.
Kunin mo.
Ito lang. Oh, delikado pala.
Aray! Puta!
Hindi naman tumama yun sa ano Bahala na. I wonder kung pwede. Mario.
Kita mo eh. Salo. It missed. Nasaan na
Sumibad.
yun? Wala yung ano ko. Weapon ko. Hindi, nasa kanya pala yung weapon ko. Hindi lang siya namatay agad.
Damn. Oh. Help.
Wait lang. Ako namatay.
Zombie. Drop kick pa ako ng drop kick eh. Yan. Nasaan yung isa?
Anong isa?
Ito pala. Awal. Tara na.
Wait lang. May kailangan tayo i-drop kay Quartermaster.
Kaya, babalik tayo sa kanya. Night club.
Ay, tara.
Ayun pala yung trap.
Buksan ko.
Ah.
Nag-frame drop din ako.
Grabe yung loading nila, no? Bakit? Ah, may Jackie.
Nag-zipline ako, pre.
Oh, shit. Teka. On my way. Aray ko. Isa pang bahay. Oh, malapit na rin yung bounty na isa. Bawal.
Ito, inactive safe zone, oh.
Teka.
Tabi. Ang gago.
Nice. Kasi yung bounty nasa kabilang pader lang.
Kabilang pader.
Oo.
Ano mo na?
Tara.
Wait lang. I'm checking some stuff. Saan ba yung bounty? Ikaw mo, hindi ko makita.
Sige.
May chest dito.
Sige.
Patay na, pre. I feel so anime every time I do that.
Tatalon.
Oo, sabay yan, ah. Tatalikod para barilin siya.
Ano to?
Ito, bukas na yung chest.
Oh my god, baseball bat.
Bukas na to. Beds.
Pero make sure na.
Ito, pre,
Spike, it's
medkits
Crane.
ulit.
There's a building here covered in quarantine tape. You know what it is?
I sure do. You were looking at the original quarantine ground zero. The first infected were moved there from the hospitals when the outbreak started. Things fell apart pretty quick, and the building was abandoned. It's chock full of biters, but it's also chock full of supplies. Even
Oi.
Rise's people haven't been able to crack it.
It's Jade speaking to all the runners. Wrap things up, guys. The sun's going down, so you better be on your way to the tower. See you there.
Next time na lang yan. Mukhang endgame yan ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Kareem, I'm at the second antenna tower. The fence is electrified. I think someone's inside.
That will be Alexei, and probably his son Christoph. I find them tiresome. Don't let them
They're
stand
both
in your
dead.
way. You've got to get inside and turn on the transmitter.
Okay. I'm in.
I'm out. Teka.
Safe house to, pre.
Eto na, dito na ako sa kanilang dalawa.
Saan?
Sa taas.
Paano ka napunta dyan?
May isang parkour, yung bundok.
check ko pa yung supplies dito eh.
Sa baba ako dun. Ow!
Di ako makaakyat.
Punta ka dito sa akin.
Ah,
I need to climb the tower.
Why the hell would you want to do that?
For Rise. He asked me to.
Rice? You don't look like one of his crew.
Oh, fine. I'll just radio back and tell Rise that you wouldn't let me through.
What? Fuck. No, I didn't say that. You want to climb? Fine. Go.
I won't do this anymore.
Will you keep your voice down?
I don't care who hears me.
Christoph, what's wrong with you? You're trying to stay alive here.
Dad, these guys are killers.
Yes, they're murderers. So we work for them. That's how we stay safe. You think too much with your mouth, Christoph. Stop using your head or you're going to get us both killed.
bars.
Damn. Literally. Nakita yung bars. Oh. Nalaglag ka ba?
Hindi.
Okay.
I sure hope this fucking climb was worth it.
On God.
Walang baba.
Tara. Dito. Let me do my IT stuff.
Ah, sorry.
Saan ka punta?
I'm doing your IT.
And this thing's still intact.
Oh, no,
Let's see if it was
boy.
worth the hassle. Kareem, second transmitter's up and running. Is it working? Kareem, do you hear me?
Loud and clear. Nice job. You know the way back, right?
Right.
No? Damn.
Uy! Rank up.
Siyempre, backpack level. Oh my god. Ay, ano na ako?
Wait lang. I've got new stuff that I can craft. Try!
Yo. Tara, muna na tayo.
Pero medyo marami-rami to.
Madilim na, tara.
It was you, wasn't it?
No?
Raheem?
The antennas. Brecken told me. Communication is crystal clear now. Good job, man. This helps everybody, but especially Dr. Zera and Dr. Camden. They can hear each other without static for the first time since, well, ever.
Saan ka, Migs?
See you
No,
at
no.
the tower.
You're fast as fuck!
Dami, iba yung dinanan ko eh. Pre, ako mahabol ulit ng mga ganun.
Masaya kaya?
Hindi kayo. If I said no, it's a no.
Ah! Are you talking about consent, pre? Am I muted?
Skill points gained are doubled, we?
Oo. Ang lapit na natin. We're so close. Ah! Putang ina mo!
Huh? Who?
Is this Kyle Crane?
Who wants to know?
My name is Troy.
Oo.
I lead a small group of survivors.
Nakapasok na ako.
We call ourselves the
Ako rin.
Hunters. Sector Zero is completely sealed off. Mr. Crane, until you restored radio communication, we didn't know if anyone else in the city was...
Ha?
Dude, I was listening.
Job's
Why
done.
ba?
Skinip yung dialogue.
I'm sorry. Rais.
Well, you not only did the job Karim asked of you, but you made it back in one piece. Bravo.
Can I get some antizin now?
Did you think I would be satisfied so easily? You still have plenty to prove.
Look, we really need the drugs. Let me have them now, and then I'll come back and do whatever.
You'll get antazine when I say you get it, not 1 second before. But, as I have established, I am not unreasonable. Do all that I ask of you, and I will give you not 1 but 2 crates of antazine.
All right, fine. What do you want me to do?
This will be different from your exploits on the antennas. It will require a bit more persuasion. The imposing of one's will, the creation of one's own rules. That is what makes a man. Do you live by your own rules, Crane? Or are you merely someone else's puppet? I believe I know the answer. Talk to Karim before I decide you are no longer worth the trouble.
Good time na kaya to para yan. Bukas na natin ituloy.
Teka, shop.
Putang ina.
Buy every material.
Namumula na yung mata ko eh.
Tulog mo lang yan.
Getting old. Getting old.
Sige. Okay na to sa akin.
Bukas ulit.
Let's see.
Pero i-clip ko yung ano. Yung hinahabol tayo sa gabi para makita mo yung POV ko.
Bakit ang POV ko?